Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie and karibu sana to this channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And my premier gang, you know guys, I love you so much. So this is going to be a very random vlog, definitely a random one because this was not planned. So it's in the afternoon, we want to go for a little swim. It's really hot, you guys. It's been really hot few couple of weeks. I don't know what's going on, so yeah. Anyway, let's get ready. I want to look for something, but I think I have like a costume for her. She has a few swimming costumes, so I think she's gonna put on this one. It's really cute. I don't know, it's like is it like a pineapple or something? She's somewhere here. So anyway, she's really excited. She loves swimming. So yeah, anyway, let me get her things ready, her snacks ready, and then we can go.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. Ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eyes. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Hi guys, so I'm sure you've already seen the place we are at. It's called the Sterling Bird. Let me read. Sterling Bird Resort. It's in Manzoni, I think. Yeah, it's in Manzoni, and it's so beautiful, you guys. It's really pretty. The swimming pool is so clean. The ambience amazing. I think this will be like our new favorite place. It's really nice, and the charges are not like they're not like overpriced. Adults pay 500 bob per person, and then if your kid is below 3, so it's free. Only kids are from 4 and above pay 400 bob. So yeah, that's my baby girl. I think she swallowed some water and she loves swimming. So yeah, anyway, if you're looking for like a really quick getaway, because it's not far, you can actually come to this place with your family. It's really nice. You can't even tell like you're in Machakos, which is usually so dry. This place doesn't even look like Machakos, so that's how everything looks like. So beautiful, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
So guys, as you can see, this was during lunchtime and we ordered this platter for 3. It was like the food was so much, you guys, we didn't finish it. It had like fries and bajia, rice, mshikaki, chicken, like it had almost everything. So this was 2,500 and like we ate all the 3 of us plus the baby, and we took some home. So I think that was a really good deal. So yeah. So also guys, they do have accommodation. I'm not quite sure of their prices, so in case maybe you'd like to inquire, I'm sure their details are somewhere online, so you can contact them and find out how much they charge per night. So yeah.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
So I also passed by the supermarket. I had a few things to get. When I say a few, literally a few things for dinner. So that is what I'm buying.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
What's up guys? Hi. Anyway, welcome back to my kitchen. I just got home. I passed by the supermarket. I wanted to get like 3 things that I wanted. So I got some French beans because I want to cook some vegetable rice. So got this, and then I got this yogurt. This is my first time buying this. It's a Brookside product, probiotic yogurt. I don't know if it's the healthy option. Anyway, tell me comment down below if you've tried this and what's the difference between this and the other one. So I got two of these for my daughter, and then I got, okay, this is not my usual brand of sour milk, but I didn't get the one I usually buy, and we buy the one that has no sugar because hubby doesn't take sugar. So I'm trying out this Daimalala. Let's see how that goes. Also, something that took me to the supermarket is my baby's petroleum jelly. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, that's how they call it, right? So I usually buy this one. She was out, like literally out, so I had to go get her. And this is Cocoa Soft. It's amazing, you guys, like really good. And then also the last thing I bought, actually I just bought 4 things, are these books. So these are like, what are they called? I wouldn't say bedtime story books because they're just like books. And I usually buy the, like, not so many pages, just like a few pages, because she gets bored with like books so fast. And I make sure I buy like the affordable ones. This one was 150, 190, right? 190. So got these 2. This says how moon tricked the sun, and then the other one is Cain and Maria visit the farm. So yeah, that's what I got. So I want to cook some vegetable rice and goat meat. So I had left these to thaw when we went out, and yeah, so it's good to go. I just want to boil it, and I don't know if it's just me. I usually boil my meat with the pressure cooker. It's just fast, and it softens your meat really quick. So yeah, I'm just going to add in ginger and garlic and salt while boiling this, and then we'll go straight into the cooking. So basically that's it. Also guys, am I the only one who feels like it's really hot? Even at night it's so hot. Anyway, let's go straight into the cooking.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious.
So guys, as my meat is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and chop up all my other ingredients. That's the onion, tomatoes, my green peppers, and all those things. So yeah.
Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet.
And I'm done chopping my things. So this is everything I chopped up and straight into cooking. So guys, I am going to start by pre-boiling my rice, and I'm adding in some oil, some salt, some turmeric, and a little bit of cumin, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on the onions.
I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
And as always, my little helper is around, so we are cooking with her kama kawaida. So yeah.
don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
I love my veggies a little bit soft, so I let them cook for a while, and as you can see, I'm adding in my rice. So I'm just gonna give it a really good mix, and that will be it. As simple as that, you guys. So yeah.
To love, oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my
and it's time to now cook my goat meat. Just sprinkle a little bit oil and add in my onions.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again.
So guys, just like that, our food is ready. That's how our goat meat looks like, and that is our rice. Also guys, if you've watched till the end of this video, I'd like to really say thank you. I appreciate you. my returning gang, you know I love you so much, and my premier gang, guys, you have a really special place in my heart. I love you so much, guys. So make sure to turn on that notification bell. If you've not subscribed, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.
We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again.
Guys, this is the place where you hit the subscribe button. So bye bye.
The stars, just you and me. We always get back